Hello, and welcome to TestComplete. In this video, we will show you how to quickly check the quality of your website or web application using the new Web Audits checkpoint in TestComplete. When developing a web application, you may want to not only check that your application functions as expected, but also make sure that it meets modern performance, accessibility, SEO, and best practice standards. You can do this by using the Web Audits checkpoint in TestComplete. The checkpoint is based on Lighthouse, a popular tool built by Google for progressive web applications at first, but then extended to regular websites and web applications as well. It runs several audits for a web page and then checks how the page performed. You can check your web application's performance, for instance, how quickly your web page is loaded or how quickly the page reacts to the user. Your web application's accessibility, for example, whether all of the images have alternate text or whether input elements have proper labels. Whether your application compiles with the best practices for web development, for example, if images have the correct aspect ratio, or if the application is protected with HTTPS, whether your application is optimized for search engines, whether your application is progressive, for example, if the application is optimized for mobile screens. To run these test audits in TestComplete, you need to have an active license for TestComplete Web, along with the Intelligent Quality add-on. You also need to have the Google Chrome web browser installed on your computer. Let's see how the Web Audits checkpoint works. You can create the checkpoint during the test recording or anytime after while editing your test. For example, to create the checkpoint during the recording, click the Add Check button, then click the web page, and then configure the checkpoint. All we need to do is enter the URL of the page you want to audit and select the audits. Let's leave all the audits selected. These values are threshold values for the audits. If the score that the web page gets for an audit is equal to or greater than the threshold value, the audit has passed. Generally, 90 is a reasonable threshold value recommended by Google, so we'll leave the default values. Before we proceed, take a look at the device to emulate settings. You can check the performance of the web application on the desktop computer or emulate its behavior on a mobile device. Let's leave the default desktop value, and we are set. After you finish recording, you can view the checkpoint operation in the test. If you use scripts to create tests, you can specify the needed web page and audits to run, and TestComplete will generate proper code automatically. Then you can add the code to your test. Now let's run our test and see how the audits work. TestComplete launches the Chrome web browser, opens the specified page in it, and runs the specified audits against the page. For each audit, it calculates the score and compares it against the specified threshold value. You can view the audit results in the TestComplete test log. In our case, you can see that the checkpoint failed because all of the audits failed. We can click the See a Complete Report link to view the full audit results generated by the Lighthouse tool. And we are done. We hope this will help you learn how to improve quality of your web applications. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please take advantage of our documentation, videos, and online community at smartbear.com/support. Thank you for your time.